young yogis. Welcome to Monday Mindful Moments. Are you ready for another week of school? I hope your first week back was good last week. We're going to talk about monkey mind today. What's a monkey mind? Well, Milo and Mira will explain to us. Are you ready? Hi. Hi. The monkey mind is my mind, and it's your mind. Monkey mind is the mind that jumps around and wants to think about a lot of different things. I sometimes think about how hungry I am or how tired I am. That's right. But we're the mindful monkeys, and that's because we learned how to be mindful. You want to know more? Anne-Marie's going to explain more, okay? Sure, I'll do that. So the monkey mind is that part of the mind of ours that jumps around, okay? And that's normal because we all have monkey minds. We all think about all kinds of things, and that's okay. We need to think, especially in school. But when we're doing mindfulness, we can teach ourselves to pay attention to the breath or sound. And when the monkey mind comes, we just say, "Oh, I see you," and then go back to the breath. You want to try it? Let's go. So start out just sitting like we always do. Okay? Either crisscross applesauce or on a chair, whatever you like better. And you can close your eyes or you can keep them open. If you keep them open to help the monkey mind not be too distracted, look at a spot in front of you that's kind of boring and just look at it while you breathe. All right? Let's take some breaths together. Now let's breathe in and out of our nose. And when you breathe in, notice that your belly poofs out. It gets inflated like a balloon. And when you exhale, the balloon lets its air out. Let's try that. My monkey mind is getting distracted. It's okay, Mira. Just go back to the breath. Smile. Don't be upset with the monkey mind. Just smile and then go back to breathing. Good job. That was just breathing, and when the monkey mind got in the way with thoughts, we didn't worry. We just went back to the breath. Let's do some yoga now. So today is new moon yoga fun. Just a little bit of everything to have some fun. Here we go. Start out in mountain, and we'll breathe in and out with our hands following the breath, our arms following the breath. Here we go. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in. Leave your hands above your head. Stretch out both sides. Stretch really good. Stretch them both and get up on your toes. And let's be a crescent moon. So bend to one side, Bend to the other side. Wonderful. Let's do that one more time. Bend to this side, crescent moon on the one side, and crescent moon on the other side. Awesome. Let's turn and have one leg in front and one leg in back. It doesn't matter which one, so I won't tell you which one to do. You choose. The leg that's in the back, your foot is kind of just a little bit like this, not straight up and down, but a little to the side so you can balance better. Okay? And make sure you're facing the front. Put your hands on your hips, and then your hands go out, and you bend that front leg and look over that arm. That's warrior two. And in this pose, we can send out magic and kindness to the world. So let's do that. Sending it to the world. Magic. Magic. And let's go to the other side and do it to the other side. Remember that back foot is a little bit to the side. Bend the forward leg. Look over that arm in the front and send that magic and that kindness all over to the world. Beautiful. Nicely done. We're going to fold over to the front now and then move our way down to the ground. So start out, bring your arms up and bend over, just dive down, down to the ground. If you can only go this far, that's fine. If you can only go that far, that's fine too. If you can go all the way to the ground, then try to put your hands underneath your feet as you bend over. That's the gorilla pose. And just feel that stretch in your legs and in your back. Let's see, can you see me better if I put my hands here? Awesome. Coming down, let's do our cat-cow. So on fours, remember when you breathe in, you arch this way with your head up, your hips are up, and your belly is full of air pointing down. When you breathe out, it's the opposite. The head is down, the hips are down, the back is arched up, and the belly is all the way to the back because you've let all your air out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Good job. Good job. Let's go back to child's pose to stretch out our arms, legs, and our shoulders. This is a child's pose with extended arms. So this is a nice one to rest in, but we're using it for a stretch. Come all the way over onto your back, and we're going to do an opposite pose, which is the boat pose. So start out by finding your balance on your hips. And your legs are bent and you're holding on to your legs. And when you feel ready to balance, stretch out your arms. Don't curve the back. Try to keep the back nice and straight. Straight line from the hips all the way up. And if you feel really good and strong, you can stretch your legs out. And suck in that belly. That'll help you balance. If that's too hard, just stay right there like that. Wonderful. Nice job. Coming down, we're going to do the turtle pose. Remember the turtle? You put your feet together. Your knees are bent like this. Your legs are bent. And you weave your arms underneath your legs. And that makes you kind of squat down. And you can go in and out like that and pretend that you're a turtle. But it's also just good for stretching. Just like that, back and forth. And now, let's do the opposite. And so now we're on our bellies. And bend your legs, grab your ankles. Start by just like this to feel that stretch in your legs. When you're ready, you can pull on the ankles while the ankles pull away, and that brings your body up like this. And then you can rock back and forth. That's a good one. That gives your belly and your stomach a really good massage. Good job. Let's flip back over and do another rocking pose. This time, cross your legs and grab your feet. Make sure you have room to rock back and forth. And send yourself back and forward. And again, back. You can do that one at home as much as you want. That's a really good way to warm up your body or to stretch out your back. All right. One last stretchy pose on the ground is the frog. So it's like a squat all the way down. Ooh, sometimes you'll feel your knees pop, okay? If that hurts, don't do it. This is the frog. And it's actually a nice pose if it doesn't hurt you. Beautiful. Very nicely done. We'll finish up now with a little bit more of mindfulness. And then I want to show you some extra stretches that help us to just mellow out after we do yoga. So a little bit of mindfulness, and then we'll settle down with some extra stretches. Remember what we did with the monkey mind? Let's do that a few times. Just watch your breath going in and out. And if your mind, monkey mind, has a thought, you just say, "Hi, thought," and go back to the breath. That's wonderful. Now, we're going to finish up with doing the same kind of thing, the same kind of mindfulness, but lying down, okay? Here we go. This is like some extra stretching. I'm going to make sure the camera will see me all the way down on the ground. There we go. All right. Lie down. And now put your hands on your belly and breathe in and out and feel how your belly goes up when you breathe in and goes down when you breathe out. Let's do that a couple times. Now you can leave your hands on your belly if you want, or you can put them to the side, whatever is comfortable. And I'd like you to completely relax and just pay attention to your breath going in and out. I'm going to count the breaths with you. You ready? Here we go. 1, breathe in. 2, breathe out. 3, breathe in. 4, breathe out. Now Now you do it on your own. Breathe for yourself and count for yourself. You can keep breathing. You just keep breathing. You stay in that position and I'll say goodbye, and Myra and Milo will say goodbye. But you can stay in that position and just pay attention to your breath. We'll see you guys next week. I hope you have a wonderful week at school. Please share these videos with your friends, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Bye.